The motivation that the teacher gives to us when producing the projects, working with him.
What I really like about the course is that we have so many options of what we can do and what we can learn, and we go through so many different topics that you can really find out what you really enjoy.
I choose it because it's one of my aspirations. I want to be a graphic designer in my professional life.
I think I'm a lot more motivated because I'm doing something that I really enjoy.
What I like about him is that he gives a ton of insight of your work.
I really like how the teachers and support workers are really open to helping us out.
I hope to work with the industry of graphic design.
I want to put my graphical knowledge in music. I like the album covers, especially since they're more like illustration.
I'd like to become a graphic designer and set up my own company, work for myself.